Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to ask you about global English. What is global English? Global English is a simple version of the English language. It is a set of rules for writing globally. It is also known as International English or World English. Good writing is universally judged by clarity, consistency, and how engaged it is. But global English is especially important for how it can be understood across the world. It affects sentence structure, word order, and even verb tense. Its goal to make writing in English less ambiguous. What is the difference between standard English and global English? The standard English that native speakers use has lots of sayings and idioms that can be difficult to translate across the world. This can make understanding writing native or standard English quite difficult. There are lots of unique grammar features and even some challenging tense such as the passive voice. Why is global English useful? Global English is useful because it's extremely clear. It is often used by translators as it makes sure that the version of English used will be understood by anyone who can speak it. Its useful has increased as English has become increasingly spoken around the world. It is no longer just spoken by native English speakers. People in India, Japan, and the Philippines. Just about anywhere else you can think of speak English as a second language. It is actually the largest group of English speakers, so it's no wonder global English has become more popular. It has an impact on pronunciation, as there are so many different variants of English around. Knowing which way to pronounce words as a non-native speaker can be challenging. Native accent can sometimes make learning English more difficult. So, global English can be helpful with pronunciation too. Why is global English useful to ESL teachers? Depending on where you're from in the world, standard English may come more naturally when you are teaching your class, but making an effort to teach using global English can have lots of benefits, especially if you plan on teaching all over the world. Native English isn't regarded as the model for learning English anymore. Global English is said to be a step towards reaching global communication. As an ASL teacher, this may be a key goal you're hoping to work towards. It's really important for when non-native speakers want to talk to each other. This removes the need for imitating accent of English-speaking countries and allows the focus and emphasis to be placed on understanding. There are some specific ASL or TEFL courses on global English that some ASL teachers may have chosen to take or study. English isn't just for the classroom. It's a life skill. As the world is so diverse, global English helps build the bridge between cultural differences. What are the key features of global English? It is a consistent word order, short sentences, no passive voice use, no figurative language, logical and literal words. Things to remember about global English is that a literal translation to our language as all languages are so different it can be one. It should still so natural to a native speaker. There is a misconception that it might sound tilted or stiff, but if it does, then it isn't global writing. It's written with the audience. It is written with the audience in mind so anyone can understand it rather than over formalizing it. And then resource for teaching global English. We don't have specific resource on global English as it is the choice of the ISL teacher what style of English they would like to teach. You might want to look into global English as a stylistic technique to teach your class with. It is especially useful if your students are finding learning English difficult, or maybe you have done a specific global English course. English is a challenging language to grasp, and global English can help it make it easier. Thank you. Number 2. Ways to boost your body natural defense. No supplement, diet, or lifestyle modification. Ways to push your body's natural defense. No supplement, diet, or lifestyle modification, aside from physical distancing, also known as social distancing, and practicing proper hygiene, can protect you from developing COVID-19. The strategies outlined below may boost your immune health, but they don't protect specifically against COVID-19. If you want to boost your immune health, you may wonder how to help your body fight off illness. While boosting your immunity is easier said than done, several dietary and lifestyle changes may strengthen your body's natural defense and help you fight harmful pathogens or disease-causing organisms. Get enough sleep. Sleep and immunity are closely tied. In fact, inadequate or poor quality sleep is linked to higher susceptibility to sickness. In study in 164 healthy adults, those who slept fewer than 6 hours each night were more likely to catch a cold, and those who sleep 6 hours or more each night. Getting adequate rest may strengthen your natural immunity. Also, you may sleep more when sick to allow your immune system to better fight the illness. Adults should aim to get 7 or more hours of sleep each night, better fight the illness, while teens need 8 until 10 hours, and younger children and infants up to 14 hours. If you're having trouble sleeping, try limiting screen time for an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from your phone, TV, and computer may disturb your circadian rhythm or your body's natural wake-sleep cycle.